On the slide, you're going to be using some of your tools up here at the top of your page. For box number 1, it asks you to draw a box around the date when this story takes place. The way you get a box is if you come up here to shape, you can just go over and choose a rectangle, and you find the dates, and you just put your rectangle right over it. Now it is going to cover it. It is okay if it is covered because I know it's behind it, but if you don't like it covered, you will go up here to this little fill color and you would click transparent, and that lets it that makes it clear to where you can see it. Box 2 is asking you to draw a circle where the story takes place. So you would go back up here to shape, and you would choose a circle and do the same thing, or an oval to do the same thing. And box 3 is asking you to underline 2 events that impact the character. So this line right here, you would click there, and it gives you a cross, and you would just drag it to create your line. And of course you would be doing this under the events that impact the character.